Namaste. Yes, our discussion is on mathematical induction, isn't it, in online classes? Okay. So I hope you understood the concept. I mean, what is the structure of mathematical induction? There are 3 points in mathematical induction. First point, second point, third point. What is first point? Can you visualize? First point, can you visualize? N equal to 1, n equal to k assumption, n equal to k plus 1, you have to prove, correct? Okay. On a similar technique, see, I had written some of the examples on board. Already I had written just to save the time, okay? Same technique. See my previous video? Same technique you try to apply for all these examples. Take a screenshot of this. You try to solve all these examples, right? If you don't get the answer, no worry. But if you don't try, I am helpless. At least you try. If you don't get the answer, no problem, we'll solve. Okay? You try and show me where you are facing problem. I hope you will, all of you will solve, right? Yes. Okay. Take a screenshot of this. Okay? Done. So we will move to next type of examples. First one, n into n plus 1, n plus 5 is a multiple of 3. This is first example. N into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is a multiple of 5. Okay. In all the previous example, what was the structure of the question? I mean, here question was 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on plus n equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. What we have done there? N equal to 1 we have replaced it. We have seen that whether LHS equal to RHS for n equal to 1, correct? Then we have assumed n equal to k, where k is some natural number. Then we went for proof n equal to k plus 1, isn't it? By using assumption only. Okay, done. Same technique. I'll call this as P of n. P of n is n into n plus 1, n plus 5 is a multiple of 4. Okay. For n is equal to 1. n equal to 1 क्या करता है? 1 into 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 5 it is 6 is a multiple of 3. Is it true? Is a multiple of 3. Is it true? 12 is a multiple of 3. It is true. But how do you agree? How do you understand that this is true? This is very simple. This number is a multiple of b, correct? If I write a is a multiple of b, that means a should be written as b into some number. Do you agree? Done. On a similar way, this 12 can be written as 3 into 4, correct? Okay, this is true. P of n is true for n equal to 1. First part we have proved. Then go for the second assumption part. Assumption. What does it say as assumption? N equal to k. What does it mean? K into k plus 1 into k plus 5 is a multiple of 3. K into k plus 1 into k plus 5 is a multiple of 3, correct? Then k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 is a multiple of 3. Okay? Then you need to prove by using assumption only. What you have to prove? In place of k you have to prove k plus 1. k जाकर k plus 1 ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ k plus 2 ಬಂತು, k ಜಾकर k plus 1 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ k plus 6 ಆಯಿತು. is a multiple of 3 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? by using assumption only. Is it okay? Done. Can I consider this? Can I consider this only? Consider k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 6. This term is a multiple of 3 and the proof madbagala. So I'll write it is this term which is equal to. See this. This term is a multiple of 3 only when this term should be multiple of 3. Andre assumption true agi then proof madbagala. Then assumption alli ಏನು ಉಂಟು? k plus 1 ಉಂಟು, ನಾನು k plus 5 ಬೇಕಾ? Can I do one thing here? k plus 1 into k plus 2 I keep as it is. k plus 6 ಅಲ್ಲ k plus 1 plus 5 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಲಾ? Is it okay? ಕಡೆಗೆ this into this plus this into this. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ? k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 1. Okay. then plus 5 into k plus 1 k plus 2 k plus 1 k plus 2. ಓಕೆ ಡನ್. ಈಗ ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ k plus 1 k plus 1 k plus 2 k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 1. Okay, okay, if we have the term k okay, just okay, we got the answer. ಮತ್ತೇನಾದರೂ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ we got the answer here. Look at here, can I take k plus 1 k plus 2 outside? Better. ಮತ್ತೆ easy answer ಬರ್ತದೆ. Easy answer you will get. How you will get the easy answer? Look at here, I want k and k plus 1 and k plus 5, correct? Okay, so for that ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ I'll this as k plus 1, I'll do this as 1. Is it okay? Still simple you will get. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, k plus 1 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ k plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ k plus 5 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ k plus 2 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? Correct? ನೋಡಿ ಎಂತ ಚಂದ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. k plus 1 ಉಂಟು, k plus 5 ಉಂಟು. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಾ, ಪುನಃ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 plus 2 into k plus 1 into k plus 5 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now is it not possible to use the assumption here? This term is a multiple of 3 and this entire term is nothing but 3 into something number p. Is it not 3p? Plus from these two anything is it possible to take outside? K plus 1 can I take out? You will get here 2 into k plus 5 plus k plus 2 you will get, correct? This you keep as it is, 3p plus k plus 1 multiply this 2k plus 10 plus k plus 2 3p plus k plus 1 2k plus k, it is 3k plus 12 3p plus, from this I can take 1k 3 outside, here you will get k plus 4, correct? From these two terms can I take 3 outside? You will get p plus k plus 1 into k plus 4 you will get. Is it not a multiple of 3? Is it not a multiple? See the beauty. Is it not a multiple of 3? Done. What we can say is, what is my RHS term? Sorry, LHS term. LHS term was k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 6, correct? This very clearly tells us this is 3 into some multiple of p, correct? That means this term is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, correct? We got the answer. Therefore the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore the result is true for all the natural number. The given statement is true. Is it okay? Did you understand this? Did you understand? Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಹೆಂಗೂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಓಕೆ? ಬಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗೂ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತರು, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್, ಓಕೆ? ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ 3 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ, ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಓಕೆ? ಡನ್. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Okay, so I consider this as my statement P of n. for n equal to 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 to the power, see this, 10 to the power 2 into 1 minus 1, this is 10 only, plus 1 is divisible by 11. 11 is divisible by 11. It is true. How it is true? 11 something a is divisible by b. ಯಾವಾಗ a is divisible by b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ when you divide this number by this number, remainder completely should be equal to 0. That means quotient should be there something or something k or p. Okay, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ a is equal to p into b ಅಲ್ಲ. See this idea, 11 is a divisible by 11 andre a is divisible by b andre this a should be written, a should be equal to b into some number. Do you agree? Do you agree guys? Okay, this is true, this is true. Okay, this implies p of n is true for n equal to 1. P of n is true for n equal to 1. Okay, then we go for the assumption n is equal to k. What should be n equal to k assumption? 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Okay, 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. What does it mean? This entire term is divisible by 11 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What does it mean? ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಕಣ್ಣ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 equal to something 11 into p ಅಲ್ಲ, then only this term is divisible by 11. Is it okay? n equal to k plus 1 ಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? n equal to k plus 1 ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 10 to the power 2k minus 1 ಉಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 2k minus 1 ಉಂಟಾ, k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 2k plus 2 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, 2k plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. For n equal to k plus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 2k plus 1 correct plus 1 is divisible by 11 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? 11 is divisible by 11 ಅಂತ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು? 10 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 1 equal to something 11 into d ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ by using assumption only. Is it okay? Now I'll consider this. See the technique. 2k plus 1 plus 1. But answer same technique you apply for all the examples. This term is divisible by 11. This term is divisible by 11. Okay. By using assumption, this you have to use. So for that ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೆ 10 to the power ಈ plus 1 ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, plus 1 ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2k plus 1 ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, 2k plus 1 ಅನ್ನ 2k ನಾನು 2k minus 1 ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು 2k minus 1 ಬರ್ದೆ plus 1 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು I should add plus 2. Is it okay? Done. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 to the power 2k minus 1 ಬರ್ದೆ 10 to the power 2 ಆಯ್ತು plus 1 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. What rule we have used? When the bases are same we can add the powers, when the powers are added we can separate the base. Correct? Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 100 ಆಯ್ತಾ? 10 to the power 2k minus 1 ಉಂಟಾ, 2k minus 1 ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ plus 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು plus 1 ಹಾಕ್ತೆ minus 1 ಬರ್ದೆ, this plus 1 as it is. So clear? ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ಭಾಳ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಭಾಳ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಇದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಉಂಟು, ಸ್ವಿಚ್, ಆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೀದಾ ಈ ಬೋರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 100 ಇಂಟು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್? Is it not 11p? This minus 1 keep as it is, plus 1, 100 into 11p minus 100 plus 1, 100 into 11p, okay, this is minus 99. Is it not possible to take 11 outside from entire term? 100 into p minus 11. Is it not 11 into something d? 11 into something d. See this, how you have proved? What you have proved? 10 to the power 2k plus 1 is 11 into something d. LHS is same. So therefore what we can say is 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. with bindas you can say, isn't it? Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ಎಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಲುಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಯಾರೋ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಈಗ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆದರೆ ಯು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಜಗತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೂ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, is it okay? Done. Next to x to the power 2n minus y to the power 2n is divisible by x to the power 2n minus y to the power 2n is divisible by x plus y. It is my statement P of n. ತಲೆಗೆ ಎಂತರ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ n is equal to 1 ಬಹಳ ಆರಾಮ್ ಸರಿ. n equal to 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x square minus y square is divisible by x plus y. Is it true? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅವಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ equal to ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ x minus y ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ದಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ this term is divisible by this. Is it okay? Remainder should be completely equal to 0. Correct? Okay. That means P of n is true for n equal to 1. Okay. Then go for the assumption n equal to k. What does it mean n equal to k? n equal to k ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x to the power 2k y to the power 2k is divisible by x plus y. Okay. What does it mean? X to the power 2k minus y to the power 2k is equal to x plus y into something number p. That is the meaning of divisible by, isn't it? Do you agree? Okay. Then n equal to k plus 1 ಬನ್ನಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ n equal to k plus 1 ಈಗಾದರೆ ನಾನು k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ x to the power 2k plus 2 ಆಯ್ತಾ. Do you agree? x to the power 2k plus 2 minus y to the power 2k plus 2 is divisible by x plus y. correct? Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, x to the power 2k plus 2 minus y to the power 2k plus 2 equal to x plus y into something d we have to prove. Is it okay? Is it okay? Done. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗಿರೋದು ಮಜಾ. ಆ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅದು ಆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಪ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈಗಿರೋದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಗಿರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 2k plus 2 minus y to the power 2k plus 2, I have considered this. Correct? I should prove equal to x plus y into something d. I should prove. Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? Done. If you want to prove this LHS term equal to RHS term, somewhere you need to make use of this assumption. Okay. So for that ನೋಡಿ, assumption ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು x to the power 2k ಉಂಟಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣಿಸಿ x to the power 2k, ಇದು x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ, ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ? x to the power 2k ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ minus y to the power 2k ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, x to the power 2k ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus y raised to 2k plus y raised to 2k ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This term will be as it is, y into y raised to 2k. Any problem? No problem. X square into what is this? Is it not x plus y into p? Correct? Plus y raised to 2k as it is minus y square into y raised to 2k as it is multiply ಮಾಡಿ x square into x plus y into p plus x square into y raised to 2k y square into y raised to 2k. This term keep as it is plus from these two I can take y raised to 2k outside. Okay. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x plus y into x minus y ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x plus y ಹೊರತಾ ಇಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಿತ್ತು ಹೊರಗಡೆ x plus y ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ x square p plus y raised to 2k into x minus y. Is it not like x plus y into something b? This b is chocolate. Is it okay? Is it okay? That means ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗಿನಗಿಂತ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. x raised to 2k minus y raised to 2k is divisible by x plus y. What sentence we can frame here? X raised to p of n is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore, it is true for all the natural number. Therefore, the given statement is true. 3 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8. How can we prove this? P of n ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಕ್ ಉಂಟಾಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪಂಟರ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ you want to know, you want to get the punter idea, isn't it? Then that means whatever I am telling you ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ done. n equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 to the power 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 8 minus 9 is divisible by 8 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ 3 to the power 4 ಆಯ್ತು 3 to the power 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 3 4 9 9 27 27 3 54 27 Is it 64? 64 is divisible by 8, correct? Is it not 64? Is it okay 64? Correct. 64 divisible by 8. Okay. Then go for n equal to k. That is true. 64 is divisible by 8 and no. This 64 is equal to 8 into some number. Is it okay? That is the meaning of divisible by. Now you got idea, correct? Okay. n equal to k ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 to the power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9 is divisible by 8. This English sentence can be written in mathematical form as 3 to the power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9 is something 8 into something p. Is it okay? Now our task is to prove n equal to k plus 1. n equal to k plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 to the power k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ k plus 1 ಬಂತು. Is it not 3? Is it not 2k plus 4? Do you agree? 2k plus 4, correct? Minus 8 into k plus 1 minus 9 is divisible by 8. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 3 to the power 2k plus 4 minus 8 into k plus 1 minus 9 equal to 8 into something d. Is it okay? Is it okay? Done. I'll consider this LHS, okay? 3 to the power 2k plus 4 minus 8 into k plus 1 minus 9 equal to 8 into d ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಂತೆ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಉಂಟು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Is it not your assumption? This is our assumption, okay? Assumption ಏನಿದ್ರೆ assumption ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3 to the power 2k plus 2 ಬೇಕು, minus 8k ಬೇಕು, minus 9 ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. First you have a look on the first term 3 to the power 2k plus 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ 3 to the power 2 3 to the power 2k plus 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಿದ್ರೆ you will get this only. These two term keep as it is. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 8k minus 8 minus 8 minus 9 minus 17. Okay, done. ನೋಡಿ 3 to the power 2k plus 1k minus 8k ಬೇಕು, minus 9 ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ minus 8k ಬರೀರಿ, minus 9 ಬರೀರಿ, plus 8k ಬರೀರಿ, plus 9 ಬರೀರಿ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So easy. Like this technique you have to apply like that to get punter idea. Okay. So this is 9. What is this? Up to this is 8p. Is it okay? Then plus 8 into 9. 8 into 9 what? 8 into 9 72k plus 81 minus 8k minus 17. 9 into 8p plus 72k minus 8k. Is it not 64k? Is it not 64? Number 9 into 8p. Okay. From entire term, can I take 8 outside? This is 9p plus this is 8k plus 8. Correct? Is it not 8 into something? Correct? Where d is this? What you proved? 3 to the power 2k plus 4 minus 8 into k plus 1 minus 9 equal to 8 into d. Zara prove agilla. So clear guys? Is it okay? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಪಾಠ ಆದರೆ ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ತಾಸು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಒಂದು 10-15 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡನ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಕಡೆ 3 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Can you go for one more example? 41 to the power n minus 14 to the power n is a multiple of 27. So last one, 2n plus 7 is less than n plus 3 whole square. Yes, this completes your principle of mathematical induction, provided if you solve all the example whatever I had given today. Okay, done. Second one is simple. You think, okay, second one you think. This is bonus example, second one. I'll have a look on first example. Take a note of the second example, I'll solve first one. P of n, okay? 41 to the power n minus 14 to the power n is a multiple of 27, okay? Multiple of 27, okay? For n is equal to 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 41 to the power 1 minus 14 to the power 1 is a multiple of 27. Is it true? Check it out. Is it true? Is it not 27? 27 is a multiple of 27, correct? Obviously it is true. This is a multiple of 27 andre this number should be written as this number into something. Okay, done. n equal to k ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 41 to the power k minus 14 to the power k is a multiple of 27. Multiple of 27 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 41 to the power k minus 14 to the power k 27 into something d. What you have to prove? n equal to k plus 1, 41 to the power k plus 1 minus 14 to the k plus 1 is multiple of 27 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 41 to the power k plus 1 minus 14 to the power k plus 1 equal to 27 into something p we have to prove. Is it okay? I consider this side 41 to the power k plus 1 minus 14 to the power k plus 1. Okay, same technique. Assumption ಏನಿದ್ರು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು assumption ಅಲ್ಲ. I'll have a look at the first example. 41 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟೆ 41 to the power k ಇಟ್ಟೆ ಇದು ಏನು ಸುದ್ದಿ ಒಬ್ಬಡಿ ಬರಿ 14 into 14 to the power k. Okay, 41 to the power k minus 14k ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 27d ಅಂತ assumption ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. 41 ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ minus 14k ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ plus 14k separate ಮಾಡಿ. Is it okay? Done. Very good. 41 into what is this? Is it not 27 into d? Plus you keep as it is. Okay, can we? Okay, this I'll keep as it is. 14 to the power k minus 14 into 14 to the power k. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ 14 into 27 into d plus 41 into 14 to the power k minus 14 into 41 to the power k. 41 27d 41 14 to the power k you take it as one chocolate. 41 minus 41 chocolate minus 14 chocolate 27 chocolate. So this is plus 27 into 14 to the power k, correct? From these two can I take 27 outside? 41 into d plus 14 to the power k. Is it not 27 into something p? What you have put here 41 into k plus 1 minus 14 to the power k plus 1 equal to 27 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Therefore the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore the result is true for all the natural number, hence the given statement is true. Okay, this entire principle of mathematical induction, simple chapter. Okay, then whatever the example I had given, you go through all the examples. Don't skip even single example. Last one question I had given just to think. Okay, you think ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ exact mental think ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ exact mental think ಮಾಡಿ you will get the answer. Okay, if you don't get the answer we are here. Okay, thank you so much guys, see you next class.